Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Yada, yada. Woo. Okay. Now stop it. Okay, welcome back to How This Mom Does It. And today I am working on denim blue designs. And I actually have been designing a bunch of new stickers and bookmarks and notepads and all kinds of stuff with my original hand-drawn art. And I've been getting some of it in already. Oh, this is stuck. Why is this stuck? See, this is my life. Okay, so this is it's stuck. So these are some of my new designs that already came in, and I am actually going to be unboxing some new designs that just came today, and I haven't even seen them yet. So we're gonna open up and see what I got. It's actually really, really exciting. Yay. Okay, so I got in from one of my manufacturers. So basically I do all the hand-drawn art, I send it over and they print them for me. I used to do some of this stuff myself, but it's just too much to do. So I'm gonna get them printed, and they actually have been pretty good quality. I've been really happy with this printer. We tried a second printer actually, and I'll show you in a second some of the sticky notes that we got from a different printer, but this is the original printer I've been using, and I'll put some pictures up later if I can, but here's some of the new designs. I have a mystery cat, super cute. So that's one. Let's see what else I got. And I got the droopy-eyed black cat. I call him Sleepy Cat. So that's fun. I got one of my 2 turtle stickers. So my other turtle sticker is our little, we're calling him Carl, Crazy Carl. He's on his back, and on this one on his shell. But the other one is the turtle walking. And the turtles are something special to me. My mom actually collected turtles. She's passed away, but being able to do a turtle sticker and some turtle gear is kind of fun, and I love that. Okay, and then so secret here, I am not a cat person. I'm actually allergic to cats, but everybody loves cats. So I worked really hard on a cat design, and I'm really happy with how my little ragdoll cat came out. And these actually are super cute. So those are super cute. And that's the I did some cartoony cats, and then I did some that are a little more lifelike, and that one's a little more lifelike. So that's the first box. And let's see what the last sticker I got. This one's a more cartoony cat. So this one is a, oh geez, of course. Here you go. Cartoon cat. It's gray and black. And I've got quite a bit. I was able to get, I think I've got like 25 of these, and they're all um, uh, vinyl stickers. So right now I'm only doing vinyl stickers. Okay, so that was the first box. So let's see the second box. It doesn't have as much in it. Oh, okay. One box, one thing. So let me get rid of that box. Oh, this one's fun. Okay, these are super cute. Well, I think all of them are cute because I did the designs, but we'll see if you think see if everyone else thinks they're cute. But this one is my little reading rooster. Super cute reading rooster. So that is my stick. Well, now let's see what else is in this one. Oh, this one's not open. And yeah, this is not safe. I know that. So if you have kids, I teach. So yeah, I'm using scissors. Yeah, I teach little kids too. This is not how you use scissors at home, kids. It's like don't walk with your scissors. So don't do what I do. Okay. Okay, more stickers. So 2 stickers in this one. Ooh, okay, this one's my favorite. I think did I say that about all of them? I'm looking off this side. In the background is my son. He's my camera guy. He's just not going to be on camera. But okay, so this one, I'm not as happy with how it came out, but it is my favorite design. Actually, no, it's okay. I like it. Okay, sorry. I'm staring at it myself and not letting you see. There's that one. Okay, so that one, it's a black cat staring out the window at the moon. And I like it. Um, I don't know. I don't know if I like it as much as a sticker, but it's cute. So there's that one. It is my favorite design. I love it in the notepad. So I doubt this is a notepad, but I'm pretty sure those are bookmarks based on the size. But this one is I'm pretty sure notepads. So I don't know what that is. We will have to see. Okay, so this one is my golden retriever. So he's cute. I'm a dog person, so um, but I'm learning how to draw dogs better. Dogs, for some reason, are more difficult than cats. I don't know why, but they are. So for me, anyways. Okay, so then I've got. Okay, that probably is not the smartest choice to do. You're laughing at me. Like, let's not do that. It's not a day of poor choices, right? Let's have a day of good choices. Okay. So yeah, I can just rip this. Ooh, okay. I feel like it's Christmas. I'm like, ooh, I don't know what this is. So fun. Okay. So these are that first one got messed up. Oh, I don't like that. It seems like when I order stuff like this, the first one is always messed up. Yeah, sometimes they get messed up. Anyways, but no, it's my To the Moon and Back sticker. And it's the one with the cat in the staring at the moon. I love that. Super cute. I love how these came out. So super happy with that. We just have to throw one away or just use it as a display. So that's fun. Okay, let's see what else I got. Yay! I feel like it's Christmas. It's Christmas I gave myself and paid for myself. Yeah, did all the work and paid for it too. Okay. All right, so these are my golden retriever. These came out cute. Yeah, and the first one's messed up on that one too. Oh well, but that will be the one we keep out. I think, yeah, it's like the packaging. But so this is my golden retriever bookmark. Super cute. I like that design. That's fun. Although the cat out the window is my favorite. Okay, last package. And I'm assuming this is not a sticker or a bookmark. I'm thinking these are notepads. No, it is not notepads. It's more bookmarks. They stacked them like that is some interesting packaging. Okay. It, it was skilled packaging, yes. It was meant to be deceiving. It's beautifully wrapped. Okay, so actually it's 4 sets of my bookmarks. So yes. Yeah. Not so much, but yeah, I wouldn't sell it to somebody. So okay. So the first one is my multi-cat, and it's got the black and gray cat and the orange cat on both sides with different colored paws. And these are all hand drawn. So all of my um, stickers and bookmarks that are coming right now are all my hand drawn designs. So I do the backgrounds and everything, painted and all that. So this next one is my You're Never Alone When You're Surrounded by Books and Cats. And the back looks like that. You can see. Super cute. It's got the orange reading cat and the gray and black cat. And then I've got I'm missing my stickers. Um, the Perfect Detective. I'm really into mysteries. So I'm finishing my first book, and it is a cozy murder mystery. And yes, so I'm getting to finish that. But I love murder mysteries and mysteries. So this one is The Perfect Detective, and it's a cat, and the book says mystery at the top, and back looks like that. So it's got like a plaid background, an orange and blue plaid background, which I thought was kind of fun. And then this is my original, the white cat, the one that's a little more lifelike. And this is the bookmark that goes with it. And it's got read, nap, and repeat on the front, and on the back, it looks like that. So that is what I got today. But I think it was yesterday or the day before. I can't remember. 2 days ago, I got a shipment from a different manufacturer that I'm trying out. So right now we're kind of just seeing who we like and um, who's more cost effective, but not just cost effective, but the quality too is important to me. I want it to be good quality products. So I'm trying out different ones to see what I like better. And I got in from a different manufacturer some sticky notes. And this one has like an orange, a light orange middle with some plant kind of like floral around it, floral design, and with the orange and navy kind of coloring around the edges. And I like it. So we're going to order from their sticky notes again. The first manufacturer I use for all my stickers and bookmarks don't do sticky notes. So I really struggle trying to find someone who manufactures sticky notes. Now I can make them myself. I can actually make the notepads myself too, and the bookmarks and stickers. I don't want to. But at first, when I started, I was hand pressing all of the notebooks or notepads and all that. And I did know how to do sticky notes. If I ever get desperate, I can do that. Um, and it was fun, but it was very time consuming. And I've gotten to where I'm too busy and I don't have time for that. So if I want to do have any kind of inventory, I need to have it made for me at this point, at least while I'm so busy. So the other one we got from the sticky note place was this one. It's the gray and black cat who's reading a book. So I don't think, where do I have that? Is it this one? Yeah, the sticker. So it will match up. So I have stickers that match with the notepads that match with the bookmarks. So that's kind of what I'm going for. And this one is a little bit different. I was trying something new. But so the sticky notes from that. And then we also got, it's kind of like I'm giving you a little haul of all the things I've been collecting here. Um, so this is the notebooks. They're the spiral bound on the side. It only has 25 pages in it. So when I reorder, I will definitely order more. It's a little smaller than what I had wanted, but they're cute. So I will definitely include them in some of our collection boxes. And in the next video, I'll kind of show you a little bit more about the collection boxes that I have. But these are the little notepads or notebooks, sorry. So that's that. And then we also got from that second manufacturer. So this is a sample of what the notepads look like from the one that does my stickers and my bookmarks. And they actually have a cover, which I kind of think is kind of cool. So it's not a normal notepad. So this is from the second place. And they're similar size. They're supposed to be 4x6, and they're both a little bit off, but more like bigger. You actually get more than what they say, which is, I guess, good. Um, the one from my sticker company, they do a cover and then you flip it open and it's a different. So I can customize it and have the inside be uh, different from the outside. So it's kind of like a cute cover page. And that's how theirs come. And then the second place one they were trying that does the sticky notes, they do it without a cover, and the back is a little bit different too. So it's a little more um, of a paper background rather. Yeah, like standard. The first one is a harder background. I feel like this is more something you would put in your purse or something, and it's not going to get messed up because it's got a cover to it. So in the future, I will be I'll sticking with this one unless people love. I don't know if people are like, we like this one better, then I'll go with that. But I really think this is the better one for me. But we will be selling these as well. And this one is my little cartoon dog, and I have a little sticker for him that I've already done. So those are that. And that's, I think, all I got in so far. I have more of the notepads that I can show later, and the stickers that we already got. So those, again, are the stickers that already came in. So I will be adding these new stickers to my sticker collection board and getting all that packed up. And I just applied for, so I did my first vendor craft fair kind of thing back in December, and it went well, went really good actually. So, but I haven't had time to do another one, and I just applied for three more, and I've got into two so far. So I'll have one so far in February and then one in March. I was waiting to do it and not do another one right now in January because I needed to get all my stock in because I have a bunch of stuff. This is only part of it. I've got a lot coming. I did a lot of artwork. So I have rooster frogs, pandas, cowgirl boots. My little mystical mushrooms were really cute. Um, and the avocado. My son's favorite is the avocado. He likes it. And the background's actually really cute on that one. It's super cute. And for that, I also have so I'll have stickers, bookmarks, notepads. I have some sticky notes that I need to do more of that. I haven't done a lot of sticky notes, but then I also ordered three different cards to try. I know cards aren't like a huge thing anymore. I'm not the best at sending cards to people, but some people do still like them. And I mean, for birthday cards for sure. So I made my birthday card to go with my birthday, my celebrate box that has birthday themed products in it that you can send to a friend or pick them up for a friend or give it as a gift. And I made a card to go with that you could purchase. And I thought, well, I might as well try a couple like note cards that could be for anything. So I ordered one in my beach kind of theme, and then also one, the avocado. My son said I needed to pick the avocado. It was his favorite. So, and we were taking bets actually as to which one will be the favorite. So, if you want my son to win, he said he's saying say avocado. But my thought was the beach theme. So we'll see who's the winner of that. Um, he's saying him. That's fun. That's coming up, and I should be getting those soon. Everything's supposed to come before the end of the month, so as long as everything comes, I should be good to go. And I'm also ordered a bunch of the silicone focal beads for pens to go with the collections that I'm building. And yeah, so that's the unboxing for today. I'm sure this is longer than it was supposed to be. I'm not a TikToky person. I know I need to do TikTok, but I'm more of a YouTube long form gal. That's how I always did it in the past. They always say keep it at 15 minutes, and nowadays it's like I'll sit and watch one forever. And I love the how people are building their business kind of stuff. So hopefully you like this. I don't know if you do or you don't, but I'm just gonna take you along on my journey of starting this crazy venture of mine. It's evolved. It started as jewelry, and we're now at I'm he's saying I'm a hot mess. Everyone's a hot mess, I feel like, but I'm pretty honest about it. So I'm honest about my hot mess, and you can see our hot mess background. We still homeschool one. Well, I have one left homeschooling, and we've got one more year to go after this, and then I am out the door on the homeschool route. So I am short timing it at this point. So we still have books and we're still doing all that stuff, but I'm definitely having more time to focus on my projects, which is actually really cool, and doing some fun things for the future. So that is where I'm at right now. I am getting my products ready and hand drawing and designing more things. And as I get more products in, I'll take you along with me. And I like to see people open their stuff. So I don't know, hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time. Bye.